Hey folks, how's it going? It's a great afternoon at CNC Realty Group LobsonHomes.com. In this episode, I want to talk about the property taxes because that's coming due, and most people are starting to think about how to file their 2014 taxes if they haven't done so already. One of the great advantages of owning a home or rental investment property is that you get to take advantage of certain tax deductions, including the property tax deduction that offsets your income. In some cases, it may actually reduce your tax liability. So it depends on your individual tax situation that you can consult with your CPA or tax prep professional. What I did want to do is go ahead and talk to you about how to look up your tax bill information to make sure it's paid today, as well as your PIN number if you don't have that. Give you a example of a Cook County property tax bill and also a HUD closing statement if you close the properties in 2014 so that you know what forms to look for and have that prepared before you file your taxes. In Cook County, we have a bunch of tax information that's available online. So if you don't have it available, you could go onto the Cook County Treasurer's office at cookcountytreasurer.com. They just recently updated their website, so it looks nice and fancy. On here, there is really nice information about how to understand your tax bill, services for seniors, key tax dates available. You take a look at exemptions history for homeowners exemption, senior exemption, or improvements. And you could make your payments right online if you're responsible for paying it yourself. Some of you may have your property taxes escrow by your lender. So your lender is going to be responsible for paying your taxes. Whether you're paying the tax bill yourself or having your lender pay for the bill, you will still receive a tax bill from Cook County Treasurer's Office. And that looks something like this. Now, don't be shocked. This is an older tax statement, so you'll get one that says 2014. And it does come in two installments that you pay during the year, each year. Um, on it, it breaks down the information about your taxes, of where the tax money's going, and how much you're paying the previous year as well as this year for each installment. Below that, at the bottom, which is not showing on this graphic, it'll show you any exemptions you're eligible to apply for as well, including the mailing address. On the top, there's the PIN number on your tax bill. For some reason, if you don't have a copy of your tax bill, you can certainly get a copy at Cook County Treasurer's website. And if you don't have your PIN number, what you could do is go to the Cook County Assessor's Office or look it up online. And that is at cookcountyassessor.com, where there is a page that allows you to look up your PIN number through the property search feature. In addition, Cook County Assessor's website, you will also be able to get forms to file the necessary exemptions and additional resources and helpful hints that are available. From time to time, you may need to appeal your taxes, and it gives you some information on how to appeal your taxes, and you can also use the services of a tax attorney. For those of you who have actually closed on properties in 2014, you will have an older settlement statement at the time of closing. If you're a buyer purchasing the property, you will see a line on the closing statement that talks about the tax prorations that was transferred from the seller to you as a buyer. In Cook County, we do pay the property taxes in arrears, so that means it occurs after that you've occupied the property. So sometimes new buyers will be paying for a period in taxes in 2014 that they did not actually live there. However, that money was transferred to you at closing and reflected on the settlement statement. So don't forget to pay that bill. Same thing in reverse. If you sold your property in 2014, you will need to transfer some money, and you would have transferred some money that your attorney helped you prepare on the settlement statement to the new buyers. And they, in turn, are responsible for paying that tax bill on that property after you've already left the property and they are currently occupying it. If you have any other questions regarding the property tax in Cook County, as well as how to look up the information, or if you have problems looking up your PIN with the assessor's office, feel free to contact us at CNC Realty Group Lofts and Homes, and we can help you figure that out. Any other specific tax advice, you can talk to a tax attorney, a CPA, or a tax preparer professional. And if you don't have one, we'd be more than happy to go ahead and refer some contacts to you as well. I hope you take full advantage of your property taxes during the 2014 tax prep season, and hopefully you all get some money back. Have a great day.